Hello, folks. Today we're talking about an easy-to-do peppermint facial spa treatment for allergy relief. Seasonal allergies can be tough to deal with, bringing stuffy noses, watery eyes, and sneezing. While avoiding allergens is the best solution, it's not always possible. When allergies strike, this peppermint facial spa can help. Peppermint is a natural decongestant that reduces inflammation and gives you the relief you need. What you'll need is 4 cups of boiling water and 6 drops of peppermint essential oil. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Set up. Place a large mixing bowl on top of a towel to keep it stable on either the dining room table or your kitchen counter. Have a second towel and some tissues nearby. Step 2. Prepare the steam. Pour the boiling water into the bowl and add the peppermint essential oil. Be extra careful to avoid burns. Step 3. Steam your face. While sitting in a chair at the table or standing at the kitchen counter, lean your face over the bowl. Use the second towel to cover the back of your head and neck, letting it drape around the bowl to trap the steam like a tent. Again, please be extra careful to avoid burning yourself. Step 4. Relax and breathe. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Blow your nose with the tissues as needed. Step 5. Enjoy the treatment. Stay in the steam for about 15 minutes. You can repeat this facial spa treatment as often as you need. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.